So look at the inside of this one though.
Yeah, look at this. This is 40. This is 54.
Alright guys, it's dealership Saturday, man. That's what I'm about to start calling this when I come to the dealerships, man. It's dealership Saturday, so we're gonna see what's out here. And it looks like they got a whole lot of cars out here today. Yes, sir. Looks like a, that's a Scat right there. Yep. They definitely loaded out here today. That FA green Durango's like that. Like I said, guys, I'm about to start calling this dealership Saturday, where I come to the dealerships and see what's on the lots. Even though a lot of people don't like when I come to the dealership, these videos do very well on my channel, and it also helps people to see what's out here in different states and different areas. So that's why I do them, and I think it's pretty cool, man, because you get to see what's going on. So let's get out here and see what's happening. Looks like we got the Scat right here. Billet silver jump. This jump hit 300. Let's see what this is. It's probably a, this is a 1941. This jump got the, oh yeah, it got the cloth seat. This jump clean though, bro. This jump clean. What else they got out here? I seen this black RT right here. Yep, RT Plus. How much is this? 41. So you gonna tell me this car the same price as a Scat? That's crazy. This a 5.7. Oh, they tripping. Yeah, right. This blue 300 is like that. Oh, this don't have no stick on it. This phone tight, man. 300S. This joint open. Man, I love the way the inside of the 300s look, man. That's why they need to come out with a 392 300. I know where all the Hellcats and stuff at. They further up. Let's drive up a little further and see what they got on the front. Was gonna look at the Durangos, but we already know what the Durangos look like. They ain't changed them joints. They just changed the Hemi on the side. That's it. Yep.
You tried before?
Yeah, I tried.
Where?
I tried. Waldorf. Yeah, it's like, man. I mean, I could do it, but I'd be financing so much. It's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? So I'll just wait. And plus, I want a wide body anyway. Wait for the. Yeah, this nice right here. Yeah, I got everything out here, man. This the place to be right here.
Yeah, this is the place, man.
Oh, I like this one right here, this white one.
Yeah,
What's the Stars and Stripes?
There's no wide body.
No, I ain't wide body, but it's nice. I like the gold. Look at that.
Yeah.
Gold Brimbos, that's tight.
Yes.
How much is this one?
For you. 45.
For me?
Yes. 45 for you, boss. 1951.
I like this. Yeah, this tight. I'm coming there, look at that wide body though. Man, that got wide body joint right here. This joint tight right here, bro. Jesus Christ. This joint lock. This joint hitting right here, all black. It's a red eye joint too. Man, hold up. Another red eye right here. Y'all got two of them. Yes, sir. This joint hit. They got 2 red eyes out here. This one got the tint on it already. Dang, junk tight. That's how I look with the tint. Without the tint. This joint right here is ridiculous, man. That's kind of what I want to do to my joint. Put that black stripe down the middle. This joint look crazy. This car right here, is this the one right here? Man, this joint tight. Man, it sound good. Man, I'm telling you, these 19s sound way louder than 18. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice, bro. I like this. Oh, that new car smell get me every time. Oh, man. Uh-oh, copyright. Yeah, this tight right here, bro. You connect. But this don't have navigation. That's crazy. I don't know why they wouldn't put navigation in this car. I like these seats though. Little stitching, little gold stitching. Yes, sir. It's tight. So this car don't have navigation, huh? I don't know why they wouldn't put navigation in this car. That's crazy. Yeah. They did everything perfect, but forgot to put navigation in. Yeah. Nah, I don't see it now. I would look through there, I ain't see navigation. No. But they still got the power dollars going on. That's good. Yeah, I like the stitching in this door right here. Yeah, they did a good job on this car, man. I don't know why they left some of the options off, though. I'm going here, look at this wide body. Hey now. All right, come see this wide body I got up there. Ooh, FA green too. This the joint right here. Man, this joint hit. What's up, man? Yeah, bro. This tight right here. Pick it out. Oh man, I love to take this home. I got a 16 RT right now. What's the sticker on this? This tight right here. Man. Yeah. I like to wait for the price to come down on this one. Look at the inside of this one though. Yeah, look at this. This is 40, this is 54. Yeah, this is crazy right here. Oh man, look at the interior on this joint. That's crazy. No, not too many people have that car either. Yeah, I know. I saw online that y'all had one. I said I gotta come up here and see this. Man, it's tight.
There it is. But the price to come down to take a while. So we just got it.
Oh yeah. I mean, this one like fully loaded, ain't it? Man. Brembo's on there. It's sick. Man, this junk. This car looks so much better in person, man.
You get it with the fuel, the selected fuel.
Yeah. Yeah, I got one fully spec'd out. Yeah, I got the sunroof too. Yes, sir. Man. Next year though, the price will come down.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah, the demand is higher than the supply right now.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.